How to make money online. Making money online is very possible today, even from Nigeria and all over the world. But it works best when you focus on skills, be consistent, and be at the right platform. That is one thing. Be at the right platform. Here are practical ways you can start. Be at the right platform. But the practical ways you can start: offer service to people already pay for. Offer service. Offer service to people already paid for. Offer service to people already paid for. One, graphic designs. It has been paid for. Graphic design. Graphic design. Graphic design. Offer services to this graphic design because it has already been paid for. People are eager, looking for people that can do it for them. Graphic designs. Writings and the copyright. Can you copy? Can you write for people? It's already made programs that people are looking for ones to help and assist them do. Writing and the copyright. Video editing. That is the number 3. Video editing. Many are looking for people that can edit their videos for them. Can you be able to do it well? Video editing. Data entry. The 4th one, data entry. Data entry. What is this data entry we are talking about? Typing is typing records. Is typing, recording informations into a system. To type and record informations into a system. Data entry. You type and record for them. It's a job that is so demanding online. It's so demanding. How much can you do? How far? How long? How professional? How skillful are you in data editing, data entry, video editing, and the rest of them? Social media management. Many people are looking for people that can manage their social media platform, social media channels. People are looking for people. Many are being looked for to manage channels for people. People are being looked for. Can you do so? For you to do all these things, you need to use platform like Fiverr. Fiverr. Use platform like Fiverr. This is online market place where you can buy and sell your goods. Other people also come to buy and sell their goods. Fiverr. 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 You can market people's goods there. You can sell for them. You can do your own. Go to the labor market, get goods. Prepare them. Video it, snap them. Push it online through Fiverr. You make a very big sales. Even the items you don't have, get a good picture of it. Push it across. How you can make good money, real dollars, real euro. Name them. You make it good money, cool money online. Second one is Upwork. Upwork is an online platform to connect with clients, to do skill, to connect with clients, to do professional work and get paid. Upwork. Connect with clients online. Do professional work for them and you get paid. Cool. In dollars, in pounds, in euro. Even in Nigeria, you are still going to be paid in naira. Online platform. You get your clients. You don't need to see them. You don't need to know them. Get a good phone. Get a good laptop. You do this online and make real money, real good money. Cool dollar, cool euro. Use Upwork. The third one, freelancer. It means working for yourself and offering your skills to different clients. Instead of working for someone, instead of working for an organization, you work for yourself. You become a self-employed. Work at home, online. Freelancer, free. Free meaning being free. Do it at your own pace. Being free. Do it at your own pace. You make your cool cash, cool money. Freelancer. Start by learning one skill. That is a starting point. Learn one skill. Learn one skill. Create samples. After learning a skill, create samples of what you have learned. Then apply for small jobs. In a gradual process, apply, learn skill, get your samples, then apply. With small job, you will be announced. We'll meet some other time. I will let you know.